Assalamu alaikum, and welcome back to our channel. Are you ready to speak English with confidence? Whether you're a beginner or just looking to improve your daily conversation skills, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll go through 30 essential English sentences with easy Urdu translations perfect for daily use at home, school, or anywhere. From greetings like hello and good morning to useful commands like please sit and open your book. This video will help you understand and speak English more fluently and naturally. Beginners. 1. Hello. 2. Good morning. 3. How are you? 4. I am fine. 5. What is your name? 6. My name is John. 7. Nice to meet you. 8. Thank you. 9. You're welcome. 10. Sorry. 11. It's okay. 12. Please it. 13. Stand up. 14. Come here. 15. Go there. 16. Open your book. 17. Close the door. 18. This is a pen. 19. That is a bag. 20. I like apples. 21. I don't. 22. Do you understand? 23. Yes, I do. 24. No, I don't. 25. What is this? 26. This is a chair. 27. Repeat after me. 28. Listen carefully. 29. Let's start. 30. Goodbye. So grab a notebook, follow along, and let's make learning English fun and simple together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful videos like this one. Chali you khat hain. Let's get started. And that's it for today's lesson. We hope you enjoyed learning these 30 useful English sentences with Urdu translations. Keep practicing daily, and you'll see big improvements in no time. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more simple and effective English learning videos.